Chakravarti Raja Gopalachari, fondly known as Rajaji, was born on December 10, 1878. A renowned lawyer, writer, politician and philosopher, he was a key leader of India's freedom struggle and a close associate of Mahatma Gandhi. Rajaji served as the first and the last Indian Governor-General of independent India from June 21, 1948 to January 26, 1950. He also led significant roles such as Chief Minister of Madras State, Home Minister of India and Congress Party President. A proponent of Indian culture, education and social reforms, Rajaji was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1954 for his literary contributions. He passed away on December 25, 1972 in Chennai. On December 10, 2004, Indian cricketer Anil Kumble set a historic milestone during a test match against Bangladesh in Dhaka by surpassing Kapil Dev's 1994 record of 434 test wickets. Kumble claimed his 435th wicket, marking a proud moment for Indian cricket. With 619 wickets in 132 test matches, Kumble remains India's highest wicket taker in tests. Globally, only Sri Lanka's Muttiah Muralidharan with 800 and Australia's Shane Warne with 708 have more test wickets than him. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for India's new Parliament House on December 10, 2020 as part of Central Vista project in New Delhi. Designed to celebrate 75 years of India's independence, the modern triangular-shaped building combines traditional Indian architecture with advanced technology. It features energy-efficient and earthquake-resistant structures along with larger halls for the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha to accommodate future representatives. Inaugurated on May 28, 2023 by Prime Minister Modi, the event included the installation of Sengol, symbolizing Indian culture and tradition. The new parliament stands as a testament to a self-reliant and forward-looking India. Alfred Nobel, the Swedish scientist, inventor and founder of the Nobel Prize, passed away on December 10, 1896 in San Remo, Italy. Nobel, who invented dynamite and gained immense wealth from it, was deeply affected by being labelled the merchant of death due to its destructive use. In response, he devoted his later years to promoting peace and left most of his fortune in a trust to establish the Nobel Prize, a significant contribution to humanity. Every year on December 10, Nobel Prize honors his legacy with a ceremony celebrating achievements in science, literature and peace. On December 10, 1996, South African President Nelson Mandela signed the nation's new constitution, marking a pivotal step toward ending apartheid and establishing South Africa as a democratic, equality-based republic. Renowned as one of the most progressive constitutions globally, it guarantees equal rights, social justice and protection from discrimination, redefining the nation as a multiracial and egalitarian society. Mandela, South Africa's first democratically elected president, hailed the constitution as a symbol of a new beginning. This historic signing ceremony in the Cape Town remains a significant moment of goodwill and national unity in South Africa's history. World Human Rights Day, celebrated on December 10, marks the adoption of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights by the United Nations General Assembly in 1948. The UDHR, the mostly widely translated document globally, outlines fundamental rights such as life, education, equality, freedom of expression, and protection from discrimination. This day aims to raise awareness of these rights and promotes global efforts to end human rights violations.